Hi, this is Korean꾸야 who learn how to cook on the internet. Today I'm gonna cook 떡볶이. Yes, 떡볶이. But you might have a stereotype about 떡볶이, like 떡볶이 color is red and spicy. Yeah, that kind of things. Yeah, but most of the time you're right. Almost all 떡볶is are red and spicy. But of course there are other version of 떡볶이 exist in Korea. So I'm gonna introduce you a non-spicy version of 떡볶이. Okay? So don't worry, you can eat this. It's called 간장떡볶이. Yes, 간장떡볶이. Yeah. Let's start to cook. First, you need a rice cake. Rice cake. If you go to Korean grocery, you can buy a 떡볶이 rice cake. Yeah, but today I'm gonna use this kind of rice cake. Actually this one is looks like a stick and slice like this. Yeah, slice like this. This rice cake is for 떡국. 떡국. 떡 means rice cake. 떡 means rice cake. So rice cake for rice cake soup. You can use 떡볶이 rice cake too. First, you have to soak this rice cake in the water first. I prepare the other ingredients. Okay. And prepare to set of rectangle shape of fish cake. And one leek and several garlic. Ingredients are all ready. First, you have to stir fry the fish cake. Oil again. This is the first tip. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil here. I forgot to tell you amount of this rice cake. It's 150 grams. Just fry until you can feel like this rice cake is getting soft. Yeah, you can feel that. 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And just little water. And fish cake. And 1 tablespoon of garlic. Most important part is a ratio of soy sauce and sugar, 1:1. Understand? So if you want to make more, you can put 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce in here, or 4, 5, it doesn't matter. Just you have to keep that ratio 1:1. And I think it's almost finished, so I will add leek. And turn off the heat. Done. And sprinkle the sesame on here. finish. Today I have a special guest for taste this. Presenting JJ. Okay, yeah. JJ from Cocomelon. Give a big hand. Woo. So what time is it now?
It's nap time.
Okay, let's try. Of course, this is not spicy. You wanna try this? You wanna try my 간장떡볶이? Okay, try.
Yes, yes, yes. I like it.
See, JJ like it. Yeah, salty and sweet. Good.
Yummy.
See, okay. Give a big hand for JJ from Cocomelon. You will love this. Enjoy your 간장떡볶이. It was Korean Kuya. See you later. Bye bye. Bye bye.